Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Christmas is almost at the door.
It's practically here.
I just wanted to share my personal recipes for roast potatoes. Before we start the video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much and enjoy the video. Based on my experience, King's Edward potato are the best for roasting. You can use a peeler, but I just prefer like that. It reminds my mom when she used to make roasties. She always used to peel them with a small knife. Once we peel them, put straight away in very cold water. Otherwise, they're gonna go black. It's time to cut our potatoes. I like kind of medium small size, so I'm gonna go pretty much with this size. Very important to leave as much surface as possible to gain more crispiness. I always start with cold water. I put the potatoes in. Before I turn on the heat, I very heavily season the water. It's very important because potatoes tend to not absorb loads of salt, so if you over season the water, the potato will be already nice and tasty inside. Medium to high heat, it will do the job. From when it starts to boil, we need to consider roughly about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the potato, on the size of the pot, and on the quantities of the potato as well. So after roughly 20 minutes, that is what we want from the potato. So we poke with the knife, and then if it fell straight away in the water, it means it's ready. What I like to do is drain them carefully, place them on a rack. I'll place everything in the fridge for about 1 hour. In the meanwhile, some fresh rosemary, garlic, goose fat. You can use butter, you can use olive oil, you can use beef fat, but goose fat is unbeatable. Put rosemary inside, the garlic in half, like that. And I like to go quite heavy with the fat because it's the only way to have a nice crispy potato. Being an Italian, a touch of olive oil, you need to have it, honestly. Otherwise, what's the point of living? The reason why the potato roll like crumbly like that is because the crumbliness of the potatoes will make the crispiest parts of the potato. Try to not put too many potatoes in a tray, because otherwise they won't cook properly. You need to cook the potatoes at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, and every 10 minutes we're gonna turn the potatoes. So after 10 minutes we can start to flipping all the potatoes in the tray to get a nice and uniform color all around the potatoes. After another 10 minutes, as we can see, they are a bit more golden brown. We will also remove the garlic because I've got a little surprise for you later on. And now again in the oven. I'm gonna make dressing for our lovely potatoes. Go in with a little bit of rosemary, just snap with my finger because I don't wanna bruise the rosemary with the knife too much. Black pepper, some homemade jalapeno infused honey. Feel free to use normal honey. Dash of olive oil, crush everything before adding our last ingredient. Parmesan in the dressing. After roughly 35 minutes in the oven, that are our potatoes. We're gonna choke our potato into the dressing. grate some more Parmesan over the potato. Come here, come here. It's all nice and sticky, garlicky, crispy, golden and brown. Mamma mia.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh,
I'm sorry. That was delicious.
before my wife just eats everything,
Just that little bit.
no chance. Stay tuned for the next one, and I need to fight with my wife. See you soon.
Give me those bloody potatoes.